Hey everyone, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and today's episode is all about faux terracotta fall DIYs. Those terracotta textures and colors are all the rage this year, and I'm going to be using these three colors throughout today's episode: the burnt umber, pumpkin orange, and Waverly's plaster. And I'm also going to be using some Dollar Tree supplies, and also stay tuned for a bonus at the end. So let's get started right now. Come on. I'm first starting out with this leaf tray from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to blend my colors together. The orange, the brown, and the plaster color. And you can make it as dark or as light or as orangey, however you like. And then also to this mixture, I'm going to add some baking soda. I'm giving everything today 2 coats, and on the second coat, before the paint gets dry, I'm going to add some more baking soda and kind of throw it here and there, take a dry brush and brush it off. So it makes it look very, very pottery-like, and just get it into those crevices, and if you wipe off too much, just put some more on and kind of dab and do whatever you need to get it in the spots that you want. I really like this tray because on the back it has some of the leaf veins, so I love that. Also, this piece is from Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section. $3 I thought was great. I thought it was beautiful the way it was, but I am in the terracotta mood, so I thought, let's give this one a whirl. So on my second coat, I throw on the baking soda, and look how lovely this turns out. And you can see I just kind of shake off what I don't want, and it just came out so pretty. Here we go again. I'm using this $3 Dollar Tree Plus wooden frame, doing the exact same thing, putting on 2 coats. On the second coat, I'm adding the baking soda. Now this color is a little bit darker, and I love how it turns out, and you'll see how I put it together and how I styled it here in just a little bit. Also, what makes it so great is that after I do this step and get it all brushed off and brushed in the areas that I want, I do spray paint it with some matte clear spray. I'm also using Mod Podge and another one I'll show you in just a minute. As I was painting today, I grabbed the large Ziploc bags at Dollar Tree over in the Ziploc trash bag section, and this is great when you're painting a lot of things to kind of store it while you kind of do something else and you don't want it to dry out. So find those big Ziploc trays, or Ziploc bags. They're wonderful. Also, I had my Halloween stuff sitting around, so I had one of those black chains and did the same technique, 2 coats with some baking soda. I also found that basket. I did that. And then now I'm going to work on this turkey. Now I love this turkey. He has a beautiful shape, but I wanted to give him a little bit more texture and some raised areas so that the baking soda would look real good in those areas, in those crevices. So that's what I came up with. I just kind of took some of the popsicle sticks and put them on his feathers and everything else. So here are some more pieces from Dollar Tree that I'm going to do. I won't bore you with the painting process because I think you have it down now. Although on this acorn, I'm gonna spackle the top of it just to give it some more texture on that area. And what do you know? I still had some Halloween stuff, so I grabbed this wooden, he is so cute, this wooden skeleton, which I didn't add him to my normal Halloween stuff, but I just had to try it. But I spackled him. And these are the two clear matte sprays that I used. All right, now really quick, I just wanted to show you some things that I picked up at Dollar Tree that I've never seen before. Those beaded rings, how cool. And these little pieces here are from Dollar General for $1. I couldn't believe it. Okay, that was $2. And then look at that garden flag, super neat. And so here are all those pieces that I put together, painted, and I'm gonna add this beautiful leaf to this beaded wreath. I have never seen these wreaths before. Wow. And then I usually don't like their homemade bows there that they have, but this turned out stunning. I love it. And so I grabbed that sign that says follow your dreams, and I'm just going to hot glue it onto the pumpkin that I did my terracotta texture to. And I made that little leaf beaded thing, and then these are the things from Dollar General, so you could add either one. I love this one, has a little S for Soozie stuff, so any one of those would be great. Now, are you ready for the reveal of all of them? Here we go. So here is the basket. It came out beautiful with some chrysanthemums in there. I love that chain. And here is the leaf. I thought it was so cool on this wooded frame. It is so 3D textured. I love it. Here's how my acorn turned out with the give thanks little tag. I love it. I also put it on a stick with one of the Dollar Tree wooden blocks. And here's my crazy turkey. I just had this wheat left over and I stuck it in there and put him on a pizza tray, and he is so cute. Here are my 3 leaves that I got in the Dollar Tree Plus section and added the thankful sign. Love that one. And here is that welcome sign, welcome leaf. And the bow doesn't really go with that table runner, but I was just so excited to show it. Look how beautiful. I'm actually giving that away as a gift. Who will it be? And here are my pumpkins. I did one of the styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree and added a little stem. And here's the one with the initial. Look how beautiful. I'm into the terracotta. I think it is so pretty. And here is my Mr. Skeleton. He is trying to disassemble my wreath. I was so mad at him. He turned out so cute. Look at that color. The terracotta worked out great on him. Here comes my bonus. Here's my bonus. All right, so I am gonna make something. It is 2 ingredients, the spice cake mix and this just a can of pumpkin. You think, okay, that's it. Have you ever seen that before? So I grabbed these new little baking dishes from Dollar Tree and I just threw those in there. And it says on the bottom, microwave and oven safe. And all I'm gonna do is cook this for about 30 to 35 minutes on 350. And what I also do is I added some brown sugar on the top to give it a crunch. This was so moist, so delish. You have to make this, and it has 2 ingredients. There's one ready to give away, and there's one with my morning coffee. I loved today's episode. I hope you do too. This terracotta technique is so fun, and you just never know what you're going to come up with and how all the textures are, and you could just do it on anything. A lot of people do it on vases and all kinds of things in bottles, but I just wanted to do something different, and I just think it came out so fun. And my little skeleton is adorable as well, and I just want to thank you for watching today. I had a ball bringing this to you, and I'll see you next time on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody!